You grass in your mouth? You look disgusting.
Bleh, bleh, bleh. Bleh, bleh, bleh. Where's your tongue? Where's your tongue? Can you stick your tongue? Well, Madeline is successfully taking apart the one that I said we wouldn't take apart. What are you doing with that thing? It is loud.
I think something's wrong with her.
Is something wrong? Yeah, if I didn't see her face, I would think there's something wrong. Is that uncomfortable? Should we stand up again? Mommy? That's happy, right?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
I think something's
Whoa!
You need to be burped? What's going on with
You want to come up here again? Are you just testing out your lungs?
you? What's going on?
Sound like a sick goose.
Oh, and now we're going to blow bubbles.
Maybe she has something in her mouth. It doesn't taste right. Is there grass in her mouth?
She sounds like an animal.
She looks happy.
I know. Every time I look at her face, she's smiling, but she's like screaming.
What is wrong with you?
I don't know what to do for you. Say, Mommy. Mommy.
Is there a bug in your mouth? What's going on?
That's upset.
Now she looks unhappy.
You want to go to Mommy?
What's going on with you, Pumpy?